So any other question?
Said that as the age of Kali progresses, there will be no more butter.
Yes, it has already begun. You are killing cows, the source of butter. Now, time will come, there will be no more cows. Misusing, and then where will you get butter? You cannot manufacture in your factory a cow or butter. You are ungrateful. You are drinking milk, you are taking so much butter, milk product, and as gratitude you are killing cows. You should be ashamed, even if you have no human feelings. You suck the breast of your mother and kill. Is that humanity? So, this will be, in due course, the milk supply will be stopped. That is stated in the Śrīmad Bhāgavatam. There will be no more milk supply at the end of this Kali Yuga. 4 things will be stopped. Grains, sugar and milk will be stopped. And fruits will not be without any pulp. It will be simply seed. Just like in mango, there is seed and pulp. In future, you will simply have seed, no pulp. So you will eat mango simply by tasting the seed. There will be no more mango pulp. These are stated in the Bhagavatam. So people are so foolish that they are continually committing sinful activities. Therefore, yoga is recommended. But they cannot perform yoga also. The only alternative is to take to Krsna Consciousness to save you from all risky life.